Currently, the major problem of the troops is that they are engaged by multiple of type of targets, from heavy to small targets, and usually in urban environment. Okay, so the troops need to find a way to defeat target, protect themselves, and to take care about collateral damage. They need accuracy, they need a small effect on the target, and they need a quick reaction. Today, Thales brings two solutions. The first one is that we, through our guided ammunition, we can provide accuracy, we can provide low collateral damage with warheads well designed to avoid any huge effect. This is the first thing. And the other one is that our ammunition are small and they can be integrated on UAV. And UAV provides the possibility to have a permanent UAV on the field and to not request the support of fighters. Like that, the weaponized UAV can provide the capability of close air support immediately when the troop is requesting them. French Army is, from the decision of the minister to weaponize the UAV, today French have decided to, in the first capability, to weaponize their existing UAV US-1 with US equipment. But we have been selected to weaponize SDT, so one of the first UAV from the French. So what we expect that the first French UAV will be weaponized with a Thales solution based on laser-guided rockets. So Thales is providing the solution on UAV today and supports the ambition of the French to have weaponized UAV.